Hey everyone, and welcome back to Auto Torque TV. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Hero Splendor, a bike that's been a household name for decades. Let's see if this latest iteration lives up to its legendary reputation. The 2025 Splendor retains its classic, timeless design. However, it's been subtly updated, with sharper lines, a more modern headlamp, and a sleek tail light. The overall look is clean, minimalistic, and undeniably hero. Powering the Splendor is a tried and tested engine. While it might not be the most powerful in its class, it's incredibly reliable and fuel efficient. The engine delivers smooth power delivery and a comfortable ride, perfect for daily commutes. The 5-speed gearbox is smooth and precise, making gear shifts effortless. The Splendor's lightweight chassis and well-tuned suspension make it incredibly easy to maneuver through traffic. The comfortable seating position and relaxed riding posture ensure fatigue-free rides, even on longer journeys. The bike's stability at higher speeds is impressive, and the brakes offer adequate stopping power. While the Splendor might not be packed with the latest tech, it offers all the essentials. The analog instrument cluster is clear and easy to read, providing all the necessary information. The switchgear is simple and intuitive, and the bike's build quality feels robust. Under the biggest strengths of the Splendor has always become its fuel efficiency. The 2025 model continues this legacy, delivering impressive mileage figures. This makes it a very economical choice for daily commutes and long-distance touring. The 2025 Hero Splendor offers excellent value for money. It's a reliable, fuel-efficient and comfortable commuter bike that's perfect for both new and experienced riders. If you're looking for a hassle-free, no-nonsense motorcycle, the Splendor is definitely worth considering. So, that was our take on the 2025 Hero Splendor. What are your thoughts? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Auto Torque TV for more exciting content.